beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your hands and remove all of those wrinkles on your hands and your finger. And if your hands are actually darker than your skin, you have a treatment because it's going to help you so much to whoop out all of the dead skin cells. You know that the hands is one of the places in which is mostly exposed in the body, and you use your hands for chores in the house. You use your hands for makeup and all of that stuff and every of that stuff, and then it tends to get rough and dark and dry. Okay, so I have a remedy that will help you to whoop out all of that, and you're going to be having a baby looking hand and you're going to be loving it. So let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then let's go. Alright guys, to remove wrinkles from hands and fingers and get a toned hand, you're going to be needing to use apple cider vinegar. Okay, and the apple cider vinegar has to be organic and it has to contain the mother in it. Now, apple cider vinegar contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. It calms the redness of the skin, and it also helps for rashes, and it will also help to make your hands look toned and glowing. So what you're gonna do is to shake it so that all of the particles, mix in it, and then you'd have to take about 2 tablespoons of this. So this is the apple cider vinegar. And the next ingredient you're going to be needing is fuller's earth clay powder, which is actually very important for the hands because it will help to dry out all of those wrinkles, and when you wash it off, your hands are going to be looking really glowing and really young. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be putting ½ tablespoon of fuller's earth clay powder, and then you stir it up just like this. Now the next ingredient is going to be egg. Now egg is a great remedy that is used for the skin because it helps to tighten up the pores. It helps to leave the skin looking young because it tightens up the skin, removing age problems such as wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps in renewing your skin. So what we're gonna do is that I have already smashed egg, and we're gonna be putting in the yolk and as well as the whites, yeah, and then you mix it. Perfect combination. Now you're gonna also be needing glycerin and rose water, which is helpful in calming down the skin. Okay, it reduces irritated skin, and it also makes your skin look flawless. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be putting in some drops of rose water and glycerin, and that's about ½ tablespoon, and that would help to calm the skin. You're going to also be needing some starch. You can use cornstarch or normal starch. Okay, so this is my cornstarch. You're going to be using it because it helps to tighten up the skin. the fingers and the hands are really exposed most of the time, so you need something to get rid of all of those wrinkles, and which is the starch. So you're going to be putting in about half tablespoon of cornstarch, and now you stir all of these ingredients together. Alright guys, so after that, then you apply this onto your hands, okay, just like this. You give a generous application of this onto your hands. You can equally apply it to your palms, okay. It's going to help to soften out your palms a little. Now you do that same thing to the right hand side. The right hand side is usually darker. You know why? Because you mostly use this for chores, or for writing, for phones, and for exposures and all of that stuff. So the right hand side is mostly exposed more than the left hand side, so it is required that you have to do that, okay. So make sure to apply this, give this a second coating, so that the ingredients can actually get into your skin really well. Okay, a second coating. Okay guys, so this is it. Now after you do this, the next thing you're going to do is to scrub, yeah, because you will need to scrub dead skin cells out first before you then allow it to dry, so that it's going to help you in tightening up your skin. Okay, so you scrub and scrub and scrub just like this. Okay, so after scrubbing this all up, make sure to scrub your palm so that you have a soft palm. Then you would have to allow this dry, okay. You have to allow this dry just like this, okay. So you hold this, put it into the fan so that it's going to dry quickly in case you need to do something. So about 3 to 4 minutes this has dried. Then when it dries, then you can actually wash it off. Man, you're going to notice that when you wash this off, your hands are going to become really soft. Now applying this consistently onto your palm, onto your hands, is going to make your hands really soft and supple, okay, and your skin is going to really glow, and you're going to be loving it, okay, because it's going to tone your hands a little bit. I'm not saying bleaching, but of course you have to. When dead skin cells are removed from your skin is going to naturally be toned, okay. So that's what I mean, yeah. All right, so after that, then you go wash it off. Use a very mild oil like almond oil or any very mild oil that you have. Moisturize your hands with it and you are going to be loving it. Okay, get a softer hands with this ingredient, apply it more often, and you're gonna see the result. If you have dark knuckles, scrub that area like this with this ingredient, yeah, and your dark knuckles are gonna be faded away with time. So that's it, guys. You know, scrub the two hands, and you know, you're gonna be loving it, because number one is gonna make your hands super duper soft, and then it's going to make your hands super duper glowing. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and